In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the date field in Airtable. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your browser and head to Airtable. Sign into your account so you can access your workspaces. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to work with dates. Think of a base as your project and a table as a sheet inside that project. This keeps everything organized. Now it's time to add the date functionality. You can either create a brand new field or adjust one you already have. If you're adding a new one, create a new column and give it a clear name like due date or event date, so it's obvious what it's for. If you're updating an existing column, open its field settings to change the type. In the Field Type menu, choose Date. This tells Airtable to treat entries in that column as calendar dates instead of plain text, which unlocks helpful tools like the date picker and accurate sorting. Before you save, pick the display format that best matches your workflow. You can choose options like day, month, year, or month, day, year. And you can decide whether to include time as well. If you work across different regions or collaborate globally, pay attention to time format and time zone settings so everyone reads the date consistently. The good news is you can always come back and adjust the format later without losing your data. When you're happy with the setup, confirm by creating the field or saving your changes. You'll now see the new date column in your table. Click any cell in that column to open the date picker. From here, select a date from the calendar or type a date directly. Airtable understands common formats like 2026-05-09 or May 9th, 2026. Press Enter to apply it. If you ever need to change or clear a date, just click the cell again and edit or delete the value. With your date field in place, you can start tracking real work. Use it to manage deadlines, schedule publishing dates, plan events, or log milestones. Because Airtable recognizes these values as dates, you can sort your table chronologically, filter to show items due this week, and view timelines more clearly. This makes it much easier to spot what's coming up and keep your projects on schedule. That's all there is to it. Open your base, add or edit a field, set it to date, choose a format, save, and start entering dates. With a well-named date field and a thoughtful format, your table becomes a reliable source of truth for deadlines, schedules, and events.